today's video is going to be planting some more seeds in my homemade greenhouse. So this is what I decided I'm going to plant in these little pea pellets that I soaked in hot water and they expand. And if you guys have never tried these before, you need to give these a try because these have been working exceptionally well for me. So I am so excited about discovering these things. But I didn't discover them on my own. A lot of the YouTubers here in our garden community, they use them. Lady Cheryl uses them. There's like, she was the first one that I saw that showed me the importance of using these, because I have a hard time growing my seeds outside. That has never worked for me, but I've got a video coming up that's going to explain what or who changed my mind about starting my seeds outside. So stay tuned for that video. So hold on. Back to what I'm going to be planting in these little pots. So I am going to do some red giant mustards, and I love these, and these seems to grow really well for me. And it says on the back of this package, it says it's going to germinate to 3 to 5 days, which is perfect. And day to maturity, to where I can get to picking these greens, is going to be 45 days. So this is going to be perfect. And I'm going to try some of these mustard green waves. I have tried to grow these, but I can never get them to grow big enough. They grow small, but I can't get them to grow as big and luscious as they look on this package. But your girl is not going to give up. It says these are supposed to sprout in 5 to 8 days, and it says time for me to harvest these is I'm looking to see what it says. Sprouts in 5 to 8 days. It says the temperature, seed depth, planting space. Is one thing about it is frost hardy, which is perfect for me, because me being in 7B, it gets a little chilly over here. So it doesn't tell me how many days till I can harvest these. I'm going to have to look that up and see if I can do some more research on these. But your girl is going to try these again. So I'm going to take you through the process of how I go about planting these seeds in these little pea pellets. And just in case you're interested in trying it on your own. So let me bring you down so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so this is what the pea pellets look like. And all I use is a pencil. And I'm just going to go ahead and poke 2 holes in each one of these little pod things. 2 holes. Because I'm just going to drop 2 seeds in each one of these. Because I figure, shoot, by the time these get to growing, I'll have more than enough of these mustard greens and these blue wave collards to be enough to feed my family. So that's all I do, is I just take an old pencil and I just put some holes in here. And I know this row here is going to be the green wave one, so I'm gonna put that on that side. But all these from this side to this side is all going to be my red mustards. So I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand, and as you can see, these seeds are really, really small. So I just take one at a time if I can and just pop them in a hole. Put one in each one of those holes. That's all you do, just pop them in there. And then once I put the seeds in here and get them how I want them, well, that one too fell in that hole, so I'll just take the better plant out of them when they grow big enough. And whatever seeds I have left over, I just put them back in the package. I love me some red mustard. And then I'm only gonna need a little bit of these. And the seeds are about the same size. Look at that, same size. So you just do the same thing on this side. I didn't have to pour as many. I don't think I got one in this one. To pour as many in my hand, but you know how that is. Once you open the package and get to pouring these seeds, they just fall on out. And what all I do is I just cover them up with the top of the pencil. And then they're already wet because when I soaked these pea pellets to it, make them expand. And that's all I do. Just cover them up. Some of this good, and it'll have everything that the seed needs in these little pellets. All the nutrition and whatever to get them going. But then when they get big enough, then that's when it's time for you to take over, and you have to give them some more substance to keep them growing nice and big and tall. And I just love how the red mustards look when they start to grow, because of the burgundy leaves are just so pretty. So that's all I do. And then I just close up. Usually I label it, but I know these ones over here are the green waves, and these right here are the red mustards. And I just close it up, put it in a sunny location, and boom, my greenhouse is ready to start growing me some more food that's going to sustain me and my family. Alright guys, I just wanted to bring you this video to let you know that Miss Renee is still working on her fall planting, and I am getting it done. And I hope you guys are getting your fall gardens together, because even though it is still sunny and hot here, you still have time to get your seeds growing, prep, figure out what you're going to plant for the fall. Because there's a few more things I want to do, because I haven't even started with like my broccoli, cauliflower. I should have had them started long time ago. So if I don't have time to start them by seed, I have no problem, and you shouldn't have a problem about going to the store and buying your starts. Don't let nobody stop you from buying starts. If that's what you need to do, then you go on in there and you buy your starts, because you got to think about your family first. You got to feed them. So if start's your way to go, go ahead and go, because I'm going to try seeds that I have in here, and I have already started some more of these red mustard seeds outside, because like I said in the beginning of the video, there's a person that inspired me to try it again, to grow my seeds outside. So look for, like I said, look for that video, because that's coming up, because this person inspired me to give it one more try, because anything is possible if you set your mind to it and don't get discouraged. So this person made me get on out there and put all those doubts aside and try it one more time. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you if you were wondering how to go about starting your seeds in a container that you have at home and using those pea pellets. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and it's kind of a cold day, so you know what your girl's drinking right here. I got me some nice steaming hot coffee. That just makes my day a little bit better. Alright guys, love you all, and Miss Renee will check you guys out in the next video. Have a great day, have a blessed day, and do something good for yourself. Get on out there. If it's playing in your garden, or if it's just hanging out in the house, do what makes you happy. Alright guys, take care. Bye-bye.